Well, hello, my most amazing artists. I hope that you all are doing fantastic. So last week we learned about the German-Swiss artist named Paul Klee, and we also listened to an audiobook of The Cat and the Bird, which was inspired by one of Paul Klee's artworks. So this week we are actually going to learn how to draw the cat and the bird. So that will be super exciting. So when it comes to Klee's artwork, he uses two main elements of art, and that is shape and color. So when using shape, he used lots of geometric shapes to create his designs, and then in terms of color, he would use millions and millions of different colors in his artwork, and sometimes he would even blend different colors together. So that is what we are going to do this week. So for this assignment, all you will need is paper, pencil, a black permanent marker if you have one, and any sort of crayons, markers, and colored pencils. So, let's get started. Hello everyone. So to begin our cat and the bird drawing, you want to have paper and a pencil. And in the middle of our paper, we're going to draw a big U shape, the letter U. So you want to make sure that it's nice and big because this is going to be the head for our cat drawing. So just like that. Okay, so now you want to find the middle of your paper, because now we're going to draw the cat ears. So you can even put a little dot there to help you find the middle. So from one end of that U all the way to the middle, you're going to draw a slightly curved line. So that'll be one ear. Going to do the same thing on the other side, drawing a slight curved line that meets in the middle. And now I'm going to extend this line in the middle down just a little bit. That's going to help us with drawing the eyes. So now we're going to draw the cat eyes. So from that middle point there to the side of the face, that's where one eye is going to be, we're going to draw a slightly curved line, one on the top and one on the bottom. So draw the first one. And then from the point of that one, you're going to draw one underneath. That's one cat eye. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Drawing that curved line from the middle all the way to the end of the face there, and one underneath. And now we need to draw the iris to the eye, and the iris is the colored part of your eye. So to do that, we're going to draw a sideways arch, two of them. So one just like that, and then one on the other side. Kind of looks like a parenthesis. And then draw the other one. Now we have our cat eyes. So now we need to draw the cat nose. So I'm going to come down a little bit, put a little point, and now I'm going to draw a heart. Just like that. And then to make the nose bridge, I'm going to start from that point on the heart there and come all the way up to that middle. And do it on both sides. Now we need to draw the cat mouth. So starting from the very pointed part of the heart at the bottom, I'm going to draw a curved line that meets to the bottom of the face. So one curved line like that, and then draw another one on the other side. So now we got to give our cat a body. So at the bottom here, we're going to draw a slight curved line on each side, just like that. And then we can't forget the most important part, which are the whiskers. So from the nose on each side, I'm going to draw 3 whiskers. So now we need to draw the bird. So at the top of the cat's head, we're going to draw our bird. So to start the bird, you're going to have to watch really closely because this can be a little tricky. So I'm going to draw a slight curved line that stops like that. Then that goes up and creates a triangle, and then continues and closes off. So it looks like a little fish. Then you're going to draw a circle for the head, a little dot for the eye, and then draw a sideways triangle for the beak. Then I'm going to draw his little legs. And then, of course, I'm going to draw a C shape for his wing. So now that we've completed our drawing in pencil, you're going to take a permanent marker. I'm using a Sharpie, or you can use a black crayon or marker, anything you have. You're going to trace over all of the pencil lines. And of course, as usual, you're going to erase any pencil that's peeking through with an eraser. So now it is time to add color to our cat and bird drawings. So you can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you have. I'm going to be using crayons today. And I'm going to be making each section of my cat a different color to make it nice and colorful. This is something that Paul Klee often did in his own artwork. So I'm going to speed through this and you all can color along with me. And once you are finished coloring, you will have your very own cat and bird Paul Klee inspired artwork. So I hope that you all have fun, and I cannot wait to see your amazing creations. Bye, everyone.